Hi, how to convert a multi-sheet Excel file to PDF format and optionally fit to page for each sheet. So for example, I have an Excel file here and it has two sheets, and on the second sheet it's really long. It's got like 115 lines. So normally when you would print that out, it would print over 4 pages. So I want to convert it to PDF, and I might have many of these documents. So I want to do it automatically with some software. Now we have some software called Batch Document Converter Pro. The link to download the free trial is in the description of this video. So once you have it installed, you start it up, and you can drag and drop files into it to process. So I've got this Excel file here, and if I click convert, it will convert each sheet to one PDF. So for example, I've got 4 pages there. So if I right mouse, open converter file, you can see that I got sheet 1 on page 1, and then sheet 2 is across the next 3 pages, because it's so long. So I want to condense the sheet 2 to just to 1 page, like fit to page tall. So to do this, in this software, what you can do is go into Options menu, Conversion Options, and there's loads of options with different file types, but I'm looking for Excel. So I've convert Excel to PDF here. I want to fit to page tall, save and exit. Now if I drag and drop my file now, convert. See, now it's converted to 2 pages. Right mouse, open convert file. You can see it's done sheet 1 as normal, and now sheet 2 is all on 1 page like that. Now it always does fit to width by default as well. And that's it. Download it and give it a try.